The monster inside every human being. The dark truth about human nature. There is a monster living inside you. You cannot see it. You cannot touch it. But it has been with you since the day you were born. It hides behind your smile. It waits during your silence. It appears when nobody is watching. And the most terrifying truth is this: you don't really know who you are, until life gives you the perfect opportunity to find out. Imagine having unlimited power. No laws. No punishment. No one judging you. Would you still be the same person, or would something darker awaken inside you, a side of yourself that you have spent your entire life trying to hide? A side filled with anger, fear, jealousy, and desires you never want anyone to see. Psychologist Carl Jung called this hidden part of human personality the shadow. And he believed that the biggest battle every human being faces is not against the world outside. It is against the darkness inside. Since childhood, we are taught to hide certain parts of ourselves. Don't show anger. Don't show weakness. Don't admit jealousy. Don't reveal your darkest thoughts. So we push these emotions away. We bury them deep inside our minds. But the human mind has a dangerous rule: what you refuse to face does not disappear. It waits. It grows. And eventually, it finds a way to control you. Carl Jung believed that every person carries a shadow. A hidden side containing emotions, impulses, and desires that we don't want to accept. The shadow is not evil. It is simply the part of ourselves we refuse to understand. The real danger begins when we pretend it does not exist. History has shown us something terrifying. The people who commit terrible actions are not always born as monsters. Many of them were once ordinary people. They had families. They had dreams. They laughed. They cried. They were human. But under the right conditions, something inside them changed. Power. Fear. Anger. Revenge. Social pressure. These forces can slowly transform the human mind. The famous Stanford prison experiment revealed something disturbing about human behavior. Ordinary people placed in positions of power began acting in ways they never imagined. It forced humanity to ask one of the darkest questions: are monsters born? Or are monsters created? The most dangerous ability of the human mind is not anger. It is justification. Humans are incredibly talented at creating excuses for their own actions. A controlling person says, "I am doing this because I care." An angry person says, "They deserved it." A selfish person says, "I had no other choice." The mind creates stories where we are always the hero, even when we are becoming the villain. This is why understanding yourself is so difficult. Because looking at your own darkness requires more courage than judging someone else. But the monster inside humans is not always violence. Sometimes it looks completely normal. Sometimes the monster is the fear of failure, the need for approval, the obsession with controlling others, the inability to accept criticism, the desire to always be right, the hunger for attention. Sometimes people destroy their own lives because they are fighting against a part of themselves they refuse to understand. A person who cannot see their own shadow will see it everywhere else. They will blame others. They will judge others. They will attack others. Because facing themselves is too painful. So how do you defeat the monster inside you? You don't. Because your shadow cannot be destroyed. It must be understood. The first step is acceptance. Accept that you have anger. Accept that you have fears. Accept that you have weaknesses. Having dark emotions does not make you a bad person. Allowing them to control your actions does. The strongest people are not those who have no darkness. The strongest people are those who understand their darkness. They know their weaknesses. They control their impulses. They choose their actions instead of being controlled by their emotions. Inside every human being, there are two forces. One that wants to create, and one that wants to destroy. One that seeks love, and one that seeks revenge. One that builds, and one that breaks. Every single day, you choose which one becomes stronger. The monster inside you is not your enemy. It is a part of you. But if you ignore it, one day, it may take control. So the real question is not, do I have a monster inside me? Because the answer is simple, yes. We all do. The real question is, am I brave enough to face it before it controls me? Because the darkest battle of human existence is not fought on a battlefield. It is not fought between nations. It is not fought against other people. The darkest battle is fought silently inside the human mind.